mysterious satellite circling Earth. Year is 1954. The Cold War is simmering, a tense standoff between the United States and the Soviet Union. The space race hasn't officially begun, but whispers of technological advancements and the possibility of reaching for the stars are electrifying the global scientific community. Amidst this backdrop of paranoia and ambition, something strange begins to surface in the headlines. Reports emerge, initially dismissed as sensationalism, of an unidentified object orbiting the Earth, a satellite of unknown origin. At this time, no nation possessed the technology to launch such a device. The Soviets wouldn't launch Sputnik for another 3 years, and the American space program was still in its infancy. This anomaly, dubbed the Black Knight, became an instant source of intrigue and speculation. Was it a secret Soviet spy satellite, a forgotten remnant of a failed American project, or something far more unearthly? The rumors begin, and a sense of unease settles over the world, adding fuel to the fire. The U.S. Air Force, deeply enmeshed in top-secret Cold War operations, takes a keen interest in the phenomenon. Project Blue Book, the Air Force's official investigation into UFO sightings, begins to receive reports related to the Black Knight. However, these reports are often buried, dismissed, or attributed to natural phenomena. The Air Force maintains a public stance of skepticism. Yet behind closed doors, the Black Knight is causing considerable consternation. Radar operators track its movements, confirming its unusual orbit and behavior. Attempts to identify its purpose prove fruitless. The silence from official channels only amplifies the public's fascination and anxieties. It's a ghost in the machine, a silent watcher in the sky, and the world holds its breath, wondering what it portends. As the years pass, the Black Knight story fades in and out of the public consciousness, resurfacing with each new alleged sighting. In the early 1960s, the narrative takes a bizarre turn. Amateur radio operators claim to have intercepted strange signals emanating from the object. These signals are complex, repetitive, and seemingly artificial. One operator, a man named Duncan Lunan, attempts to decode the transmissions. Lunan, a Scottish scientist, believes he has made a groundbreaking discovery. He claims the signals, when plotted on a star chart, reveal the location of Epsilon Boötis, a star system 13,000 light-years from Earth. Lunan proposes that the Black Knight is an ancient extraterrestrial probe sent to observe our planet eons ago. His theory, while controversial, injects a potent dose of science fiction into the already perplexing mystery. Lunan's theory ignites a media frenzy. Newspapers and magazines around the world splash headlines about the alien satellite and its purported message. The Black Knight becomes a cultural phenomenon, appearing in books, television shows, and movies. It taps into the collective anxieties and hopes of the space age, the fear of the unknown, and the yearning to discover life beyond Earth. But as quickly as the sensation rises, it begins to unravel. Lunan himself later retracts his claims, admitting that his decoding was based on flawed data and misinterpretations. He calls his theory a cock-up, a youthful indiscretion. The retraction, however, does little to quell the enduring mythos of the Black Knight. The seed of belief has been planted, and doubt lingers despite Lunan's recantation. The physical evidence, or rather, the photographic evidence, continues to intrigue. In 1998, the crew of the Space Shuttle Endeavour captured a series of images during mission STS-88. These photographs depict a dark, angular object floating in orbit. Conspiracy theorists immediately seize upon these images as definitive proof of the Black Knight's existence. NASA, however, offers a more mundane explanation. They claim the object is simply a thermal blanket that detached from the shuttle during construction of the International Space Station. The blanket, they say, drifted away, catching sunlight and appearing as a mysterious shape in the darkness of space. Yet even with NASA's explanation, the images are haunting, their ambiguity fueling further debate. The blanket explanation seems too simple, too pat. The Black Knight narrative, however, is more than just misidentified objects and misinterpreted signals. Its roots delve deeper into the history of early space exploration and the clandestine activities of both the United States and the Soviet Union. Some researchers suggest the Black Knight is a composite of several different events and objects, each misinterpreted and woven together over time. It could be fragments of early satellite launches, debris from failed missions, or even classified military experiments. The truth, if it exists, is likely buried beneath layers of secrecy, misinformation, and Cold War paranoia. The deeper one digs, the murkier the waters become. A crucial turning point arrives when declassified documents begin to surface, hinting at secret satellite programs conducted by the U.S. Air Force in the 1950s. These programs, shrouded in utmost secrecy, were designed to test the feasibility of space-based surveillance and weaponry. Some researchers believe the Black Knight could be linked to one of these clandestine projects, a forgotten experiment that went awry and was subsequently covered up. The possibility of a government cover-up casts a long shadow over the entire Black Knight mystery. It suggests that the truth may be far more complex and unsettling than anyone initially imagined. The official narrative starts to crumble, revealing a network of secrets and lies. Further investigation reveals the existence of Operation Highjump, a controversial U.S. Navy expedition to Antarctica in 1946-47, led by Admiral Richard Byard. The expedition was ostensibly a mapping and training exercise, but some believe its true purpose was to investigate alleged Nazi bases hidden beneath the Antarctic ice. Conspiracy theorists link Operation Highjump to the Black Knight, suggesting that the object is either an alien spacecraft discovered by the Nazis or a secret weapon developed in Antarctica. This connection, though far-fetched, adds another layer of intrigue to the Black Knight story, blurring the lines between science, history, and outright fantasy. The shadow of Nazi Germany lingers, twisting the narrative in unexpected directions. The mystery deepens with the emergence of a shadowy figure known only as the Navigator. According to some accounts, the Navigator was a former intelligence operative who possessed inside knowledge of the Black Knight. He claimed that the object was not of terrestrial origin and that its purpose was far more complex than simple observation. He spoke of ancient civilizations, extraterrestrial contact, and a hidden history of humanity that was being actively suppressed by powerful forces. The Navigator's claims, though unverifiable, inject a potent dose of paranoia into the narrative. He paints a picture of a world controlled by unseen hands, where the truth is a dangerous commodity. His existence real or imagined, fuels the flames of conspiracy. The Black Knight's enduring appeal lies not in its provable existence, but in its symbolic power. It represents the unknown, the unexplained, and the enduring human fascination with the mysteries of the universe. It is a blank canvas onto which we project our hopes, fears, and anxieties about the future. Whether it is a misidentified object, a forgotten experiment, or something truly alien, the Black Knight serves as a reminder of the vastness of the cosmos and the limits of our understanding. It is a mirror reflecting our deepest desires and darkest fears. Despite decades of investigation and speculation, the true nature of the Black Knight remains an enigma. There is no definitive proof of its existence, and the available evidence is often contradictory and open to interpretation. However, the story of the Black Knight continues to resonate, inspiring artists, writers, and filmmakers to explore its themes of mystery, intrigue, and the search for truth. It is a modern myth, a campfire tale for the space age, and its power lies in its ability to ignite our imaginations and challenge our perceptions of reality. The mystery may never be solved, but the story will continue to be told. Ultimately, the Black Knight story serves as a cautionary tale about the dangers of misinformation and the power of belief. In an era of fake news and alternative facts, it is crucial to approach such claims with skepticism and critical thinking. The Black Knight reminds us that extraordinary claims require extraordinary evidence, and that the burden of proof lies with those making the claims. It is a lesson in media literacy, urging us to question everything and to seek out reliable sources of information. The truth is often elusive, and sometimes the most compelling stories are the ones that are simply too good to be true. The cultural impact of the Black Knight is undeniable. It has permeated popular culture, appearing in countless books, films, and video games. It has inspired artists to create stunning visuals and musicians to compose haunting melodies. It has become a symbol of the unknown, a metaphor for the mysteries that lie beyond our grasp. The Black Knight's legacy is one of wonder, intrigue, and the enduring human quest to understand our place in the cosmos. It is a reminder that the universe is full of surprises, and that the search for knowledge is a never-ending journey. The chilling irony of the Black Knight story lies in its potential for both profound discovery and profound deception. It embodies our yearning to connect with something larger than ourselves, to find evidence of extraterrestrial life, and to unravel the secrets of the universe. Yet it also highlights our susceptibility to manipulation, our tendency to believe what we want to believe, and our vulnerability to conspiracy theories. The Black Knight is a double-edged sword, capable of both inspiring us and misleading us. And so, the Black Knight continues its silent orbit, a phantom in the sky, a testament to human curiosity and our capacity for both wonder and delusion. Its true identity may never be known, but its story will continue to captivate and intrigue, reminding us that the universe is full of mysteries, some of which may forever remain unsolved. The Black Knight is not just an object in space. It is a reflection of ourselves, a symbol of our hopes, our fears, and our endless quest for the unknown. The satellite is a ghost, forever circling, forever silent, forever unknown.